Want to create a community on WhatsApp? In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can do that. First of all, you want to launch open WhatsApp on your device. Now make sure to log into your account. Now tap on the plus icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. From here, select New Community. Now tap on Get Started option. Go ahead and enter your community name. If you want to change the photo, you can do that by tapping on this icon. Now go ahead and type in a description for your community. After that, tap on this green arrow option. Now, as you can see, your new community has been successfully created. If you want to add groups, tap on Add Group option. Now you can either select an existing group or create a new group. If you want to create a new group, tap on Create New Group option. Now enter the name. After that, enter the group description if you want. Now tap on the add option to add members over here. Then tap on this check mark option. Now as you can see, the new group has been successfully added in your community. Now if you want to make any announcements, simply tap on the announcements option and then you can type in your announcements over here. And in this way, you can easily create a community. And that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.